Upper back pain patients are obviously in pain. But, because many people naturally lack a high degree of body awareness, it becomes difficult or impossible for them to tell what the origin of their pain actually is. Thankfully, TrapEAZE technique practitioners are experts in identifying the cause of upper back pain in the vast majority of cases. They understand these different sources of pain and how they all present. More so, they can easily distinguish between them and can instantly change the treatment strategy to suit their patient's current situation. This way, they won't antagonize their patient's condition, which would cause it to regress or even worse, cause them to outright leave the practice. Since upper back pain patients clinically present with a range of issues, distinguishing the cause of their pain is paramount. Among the main causes of pain that can take place, tenderness is one of them. However, tenderness, and especially extreme cases of tenderness, can be extremely difficult, if not almost impossible, to remedy. Due to that, TrapEAZE technique practitioners utilize PainAway, a proprietary topical pain relief formula, to eliminate tenderness. PainAway is specifically used to end the stubborn tenderness so they can move on and do the more important hands-on, deeper work on their patients' upper backs. PainAway is quick and easy to apply, and it works to end soreness and tenderness to patients' delight. To discover more about the TrapEAZE technique's complete system for upper back pain relief, join us on our next free training workshop, where you'll also find out more about PainAway.